biggest benefit of having a maintenance agreement for an air conditioning unit is the priority service. It's not about the repair itself. You may get a discount on the repair, but that's really not the biggest benefit. You want to be first, or at least at the top of the priority service call list, because when your air conditioner goes out in your tenant's property, it's almost certainly going to happen at the end of the day, at the end of the week, on a weekend, or a holiday. So that in itself is worth having the maintenance agreement for. Priority service. Tell me what you think. Do you have maintenance agreements on your air conditioning units or on any other appliances? Drop a comment, let me know, like and follow, and I'll see you in the next video.